In the autumn of 2022, the streets of Iran were filled with thousands of protesters, ignited by the suspicious death of a young woman, Mahsa Amini, in police custody. Among these protesters was Toomaj Salehi, a rapper known for his outspoken criticism of the Iranian government, both in his lyrics and on social media. Salehi's music, filled with raw emotion and pointed critique, resonated with the protesters. His voice became a rallying cry, a beacon of resistance against an oppressive regime. Yet this voice led to his arrest in October 2022, followed by a harrowing period of solitary confinement lasting 252 days. During this time, Salehi alleges he was subjected to torture. After a brief release, he was re-arrested for revealing his ordeal in a video. His arrest, however, did not silence him. Instead, it amplified his message, making him a symbol of resistance and a target for authorities. In an unprecedented move, a court in Isfahan reversed the Supreme Court's decision on Salehi's case. They upheld the original verdict of corruption on earth, issuing a maximum punishment of death. The sentence is subject to reduction by a pardoning committee if he appeals again. Salehi is not the only artist targeted by the Iranian government. Another artist, Kurdish-Iranian rapper Saman Yasin, was arrested during the 2022 protests. He was sentenced to 5 years in prison and was transferred to a psychiatric hospital twice in less than a year. The international community has responded with outrage. The United States Office of the Special Envoy for Iran strongly condemned Salehi's death sentence and called for his and Yasin's immediate release. UN experts demanded Salehi's release and urged Iranian authorities to reverse the death sentence. German Member of Parliament, Salehi's political sponsor in Europe, called the death sentence against Salehi absurd and inhumane. She criticized the Iranian regime for its irresponsible and arbitrary treatment of defendants and questioned the rule of law in the courts in charge. This story is a sobering reminder of the power of music and the risks some artists take to express their truth. It underscores the dire state of human rights in Iran and the courage of those who dare to raise their voices against oppression. In closing, remember the story of Toomaj Salehi, a rapper who used his music to speak out against injustice and who now faces the ultimate price for his courage. His story is a testament to the power of artistic expression and a call to action for advocates of freedom and human rights around the world.